Hi, I'm Phil T. Luker. I'm the twin brother of Buck W.S.R. Weezer. My brother has invited me to share some tips with you in our series Household Chores. Today we're going to talk about how to fold laundry. Unfortunately, I'm the only one in my family that is able to do this. No one else does it quite up to my standards, so guess what? It's on me. But that's okay, because I'm going to teach you my method of folding laundry that is going to help you out a whole lot. First thing I want to teach you is when it's time to fold laundry, you've got to set the stage. That's why I have my phone here. It's Wi-Fi connected, and my favorite team is playing. You can only fold laundry while your favorite team is playing. We're going to listen to the Philadelphia Flyers. That's beautiful. Yes, I cannot fold laundry unless I'm listening to the Flyers game. That means there's only 82 opportunities per year, unless my team makes it to the playoffs, for me to fold laundry. So let's take advantage of that right now. My hairdresser adjusted my hair. I hope it looks better to you now. Now, I paused the Flyers game just for a few minutes so I can give you some laundry folding tips. First, set the stage as you see here. I'm viewing this in the master bedroom. I've got my clean, unfolded laundry in front of me, and I've got a few empty baskets where the folded laundry is going to go. I like picking up used laundry baskets at thrift shops. I got laundry baskets all over the place. Here's the second tip. Once you're all set up and your favorite team is playing, start with the easy stuff. This will build confidence. By easy stuff, I mean towels. Do you know why towels are easy? They're rectangular. You're just going corner to corner, folding it in half, and then folding it in half again, corner to corner. Do you see how easy that was? Place it in the basket. And you can whip through a basket full of towels in a matter of mere minutes. You'll feel great because you're making great progress with the confidence builders. That's my second tip. There's your third tip for folding laundry. Sort through the clothes that are inside out and return to sender. You can't fold this stuff inside out, and it's not my job either. So I sort through the ones that are inside out and I send it back. Johnny! Here's your fourth tip on how to fold laundry. I'm going to show you how to fold a pair of jeans. There's a lot of ways to fold clothes, but mine's the best way. Hold the jeans up from the top. You don't have to fasten them, but you're going to fold them inside so that fastener is going to be in the front, in the middle. Then you grab the butt and pull it out like this. Follow me?
Yes.
We fold it in half. Now we're going to lay it down flat, smooth out the legs, then bring the bottom of the legs all the way up to the waist, folding it in half. Then we're going to do the same thing and fold it in half again. And there you have it. It's folded, ready to be put away. Here's another pair of pants, not jeans per se, but a jeans-like material. So once again, I'm going to bring it up to my chest, put the two ends together around the waist, fold it in half. Grab the butt and pull that out. We lay it down on a flat surface, smooth out the legs, grab the cuffs and bring it to the waist to fold it in half. Do that one more time to fold it in half again, and you're done. Now I'm going to show you how to fold shirts, t-shirts for instance. Here's how I fold t-shirts. This is the best and easiest way. This is how my mom did it. She had 9 kids, she knows. Here's how you do it. You're going to grab it by the shoulders. You see where the seams are, you go all the way out. You're holding it wide open like that, and now we're going to fold it in half. We're bringing those two seams at the shoulders together, and we fold it in half. Now we grab it at the sleeves. So here's the sleeves. We're holding at the sleeves and the collar. The shirt's folded in half. Guess what we do now? Lay it down somewhere flat, flatten it out, fold the sleeves in, bring up the bottom to the top. It's done. There it is. That's the best and easiest way to fold a shirt. Let's fold another t-shirt. I grab it at the tops, the corners, bring those corners together. Here's a tip. I often fold it with the decal on the outside. That way when you're going through your drawer looking for a particular shirt, you'll be able to see it. This happens to be that special Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle. This one's mine. So we'll fold it with the decal on the outside. We fold it in half at the shoulders, then I grab the sleeves. So I'm holding at the top with sleeves and collar. Now we're laying it down, flatten it out, fold in the sleeves, and bring it up, folding it in half. Now if you wanted to fold it even more compact, you could fold it in half yet again. And when it's in your drawer, you'll know this is the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle shirt. There you go. My final tip is, what do you do with that piece of clothing, that article of clothing that defies folding? Like this flannel shirt with a hoodie. Who thinks of this stuff? Let me show you what to do with the flannel shirt with a hoodie, or any other strange piece of clothing that just defies folding. You put it on a hanger, right here. Hang the shirt by the shoulders, and then I'm going to button the top button. And that's really all you got to do with something like that. So those are my tips on how to fold laundry. As you can see, I've got a lot still here to work on. So I'm going to get the hockey game back on and get to work. Thanks for watching.